All right, now I want to take a look at downloading Git. Git is used for source control management, version control, things like that. So if you've ever had a file that you created and you liked that version, but you wanted to try something else, so you save that file with a different file name so you have multiple versions of it, you can do something like that with Git. So here I'm going to go to git-scm.com and then go to downloads. And from here I'm going to select my operating system, and then it's going to go ahead and give me this download. I'm going to save this. I'm going to come up here where that was downloaded and go ahead and run it. And then as this is installing, you say, yes, I want it to be able to make changes. Then I can go through this installation process. Most of this, you can just keep the defaults. So I'm going to click next. I'm going to leave that default installation location. Leave these defaults. And then here on this screen, where it says use Vim as Git's default editor, I'm going to change that. I like Notepad++, so that's what I'm going to use. And if I forget to add a commit message or something, or I need to edit a file, then this is the software that it's going to use for editing that. Now I'm going to click next. I'm going to keep the rest of these defaults. And then when I get to the end here, it's going to go ahead and install. I'm going to pause this so that we don't have to sit through the installation, and we'll be right back. All right, now that this is finished installing, I don't want to launch Git Bash or view the release notes. I'm going to click Finish, and then here in my search bar, I'm going to type in CMD to get my command prompt. And then now that I have my command prompt up, I'm going to type git, G-I-T, just to see if I get a message showing me that Git did install properly, that I can use it from this command line. And now I do have this from the command line, so I can tell if Git was installed properly. I can use it from the command line. We're ready to move on to the next video where we can start adding some things and creating repositories for our source control.